Hey guys, wanted to introduce to you the V47NN 47-liter black monokey series top case from Givi. This 47-liter case is designed to work with any of our monokey series mounting hardware. The V47NN top case is capable of storing 2 medium full-face helmets comfortably and utilizes our Givi monokey operating system, which enables both unlocking and detaching of the case with a single key. The case is going to be made with polypropylene, which makes this case extremely lightweight and durable and also offers exceptional water resistance. This case is equipped with the carbon fiber effect lid insert, red lenses, and 2 elastic retaining straps. Additional accessories are available for this case, and they do include a passenger backrest pad, inner bag, LED brake light kit, interior light, and a luggage rack. To find out if this V47NN case fits on your bike, check the My Motorcycle section on our website. And for more information on this product and to see our complete range of Givi accessories, go to visit GiviUSA.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, ride safe.